morning everyone, respected principal, all our friends, alumni members. So I'm really glad to see that all our teachers, old teachers who have shown us the path where we are today. And I think we are the highest numbers this time. So it seems that
nearly 50 people are out there.
not around 100 people. So I think we'll all meet in the afternoon program that we have. So there anyway we are going to meet everyone. So I think this is around, we started around 97, 98? 98. 98 I think we started the association. So close to 17 years. And we are growing, so that's good. And I think the first part of we always start with meeting with the current teachers, and it's nothing just but exchange of ideas, understand how the current school is going, how the students are doing right now. Are there any expectations from us that we can help by meeting with the current students, by giving them some feedback, helping them out, at the same time getting some feedback from you guys also. So that is what lengthy one. Make it very short. So I would like to request Principal Sir, if you can just address for 2 minutes for the association. Thank you, sir.
Karthik Rao sir, ex-principal of this Vidyalaya. Respected Prasad sir, principal, Jeremy Bolage, vice principal, other teachers, and all my dear alumni students. Once again, I extend my hearty welcome to you all. Alumni Association, you people taking this initiative to bring together all the people, and that way you are giving us a chance to interact with your old teachers and the principals and other people also, especially alumni JNB, Alumni Association Kalahandi is a unique one. I have completed 6 years with Vidyalaya. Since then, the moment I came here in 2009, October, I have been witnessing the various programs being conducted by alumni students every year without any fail. And say for example, blood donation camps, rural health missions, going to the villages and giving medicines, and taking initiative to develop the infrastructure of the Vidyalaya and cleanliness of the Vidyalaya by donating the machines, bush cutters and grass mowers and other things like that. Every year you people used to donate the books also to the library, conducting the counseling classes. Not only that, recently our friend I can call that you are all more higher, some of you in official ranks than us. Mr. Bolyar, Pradipta Bolyar Singh also arranged from his organization. Like that, even I came to know that he named his car Navodaya. People, the bags of his car, Navodaya is written. So wherever he goes, that the people are coming in Navodaya, who are you? We like to this Navodaya like that. That is the thing like that. If the two candidates who recently passed students, they are pursuing their graduation study at different places. They are very, very needy, deserving students. He called me, sir, this is my plan. I want to pursue scholarships to our students to the extent 5 candidates to the extent possible. You please see that worthy candidates or suitable candidates like that. Our vice principal kept a list of score and everything like that. And extremely within a span of 2 months, everything is completed, and these students are going to be paid 5,000 per month, like that, till completion of their studies. That is one example of that how you are setting an example, being a Navodhayan. Your applications toward the society, you know, the dedication of a Navodhayan, the service motto of a Navodhayan to the society is quite different from the other people. It's not a comparison or something like that or a praising. That's what I have been observing almost all over India. I have worked. This is 13th Navodaya Vidyalaya for me, Andhra, Karnataka, Rajasthan, Haryana, and other places like that. So wherever you see the Navodayan culture is something different. And so every year systematically these activities are being organized from your side. And still I expect the same trend should continue forever. And this organization should become more fortified, more active. And we personally don't ask individually anything like that. But together you should contribute and you should create your own mark for the development of the institution. Institution development is nothing but the development of the product of the institution, the students who are coming out of the institution. That will be a very nice thing. And to tell so many things are there, that is a different thing. And locally many Navodayans are there of this Kalahandi Navodayans. Say they are very, very useful for me. For example, in the autonomous college also our students are lecturers are there. And again our students are going there, becoming their students like that. And Kedar and other people are there, some in telephone department, in electricity department, every corner, every nook and corner. Because of your perusal and persistence, I am getting this petty problems getting solved. So this type of activities will encourage the coming generation of the students also like that. Really, I feel proud that these migration students from Bihar, who are at Delhi and other places also, they have come here. If you don't mind, you please stand up. All our staff members also would like to have a glance. Really, that is the integration, the unique culture of this Navodaya. Navodaya is it is a mini India like that. This culture, there will be no regional differences like that. So I am very, very thankful to you all. Please have your seat. It's a very nice thing. This type of efforts should be continued. Wherever you are there, you all be in touch with it. And also be in touch with the Vidyalaya. Whenever this need is there for the well-being of the institution and the all-round progress, we can make use of your services. That will give you a good satisfaction to you, the greatest satisfaction to you. When the Vidyalaya is benefited, it is our mother institute. Different way by these educational programs or something like that. He has a lot of plans. Once he came to the Vidyalaya to repair the toilets very frankly. He has been trying to like that. These are all. You see, I am telling one or two names. That is not like that. I cannot remember all the names like that. For example, the other side is there. Vijay Bhai is there. And whenever we see that face, I can tell like that. So much help. Not to tell the names like that. So I am extremely happy. At the same time, I am very happy that our SARs, Mr. Pasma sir, Prasad sir, also is taking very active part here. He has given us a bush that has been in use now. We are trying to keep the Vidyalaya free of the bushes. You all know that this place is highly infested with poisonous snakes and other things like that. So our SARs, how they were able to just influence you like that. These SARs are there in all your minds like that. Every time they used to tell about Prasad sir, Batra sir and all this like that. I congratulate Pradhan sir and Prasad sir and Mr. Patno and our Arbitya Rao sir for having influenced you that much, and you have called them also. It also gives me very nice pleasure, happiness for me, this one. So with these few words, I would like to conclude, and I expect you to interact more, and whatever this thing is there, you are always positive, wherever you are there, wherever we are calling, not only myself, many Navodaya staff. The moment you hear Navodaya means you are coming out. With any sort of help that you can do. It's a very nice thing. I wish you all the success, and this Kalahandi Navodaya, it should flourish into a nice organization in future to come. Thank you.
Thank you. To understand if anything that you want the association to take off, anything to address, so that we can take it up in our follow-up meeting, and we can see that how we can help our mother institute, the Vidyalaya. So I would like all our current staff members, if they can look forward, or if they can like to highlight anything that the association can help us.
Yes.
Okay. They are on the streets because their contribution is very large to the student. But after the retirement, they are on the streets. Are you understand my point?
I got it.
But because you are the student throughout the India, why not you bring that coordination among your students to fight about the pencil scheme for the teacher?
Sure.
Some students are doing recently, they have started a dharna at the Janata Mandir, alumni association, alumni students only. They have made a
Not act like that. You very the all India student. You have to mobilize the things.
Sure.
And see that all the students will come because everybody will extract. See, the teacher of the Navodaya working 24 hours for the student. And after retirement, his position is very miserable. Even some principals leading in a miserable life. Some teachers are living miserable life on the roads also. Why? Because there is no. Because the voice of the teachers in the Navodaya is not that much to affect on the politicians. You understand?
Sir,
So,
I think it is now started, sir. So the message has been floating around now
Yes.
about that.
I am bringing the very
Sure, sir.
important point.
Sure.
So it should be concentrated because you are the students are very active. Please mobilize other Navodaya Vidyalayas and see that this project will come up.
Sir, actually, I will interrupt here. We have formed one national body. It's AIJA, All India Jawaharlal Navodaya Vidyalaya Alumni Association. There already this pension scheme has they have taken this as their first point, and because it is now not under the legal point, not under the High Court. It has gone beyond that legal.
See,
So,
one thing I will tell you. Hello, Mister. I will clarify.
it's not under law now, as because at that time willingly all the teachers had accepted that we will not take the pension. So now legally we cannot claim it. There is some lacuna is
I
there.
will be clarification. It says, Government of India is already adopted the pension scheme to this Kendriya Vidyalaya, CBSE system institution, working under the same ministry. Working under the same ministry. Okay, one point. Second point, after 2004, a new pension scheme is adopted. Before 2004, those teachers who are dying, they don't have any pension scheme. So all the Navodaya students, principals, they collected the money, they went to the Supreme Court and everything. I told them this money is wasted. 5 crores or 10 crores, you are wasting money because it is a policy matter. It should be, will be affected by only Parliament. Parliament has to do. For that, a big voice is needed, not small voice. You know our political setup, where there is a big voice is needed. For that, what you have to do, you have to initiate, write to all the Navodaya Vidyalayas, send the representation to the government of India that my teachers are there, they are not considered, they are facing so many problems. Some people we have seen, they are roaming on the roads without food. Right? If all 400, 500 students of Navodaya Vidyalayas move that point from the student level, automatically government will come into
This is a very important point.
Teachers in JNBs. I know you are saying that there is a fault of the teacher. This is not the fault of the teachers. It is initially adopted, that is Samiti. Initially, when Samiti started, there are two schemes, one is CPF and another GPF. But there may be slightly fault. I don't
No,
know.
it is not
Not
fault. You
fault.
are correct. They did not take
Take any
initiative.
decision.
They don't
Nobody
decide
has
the
given
methods and
options.
We don't have the knowledge of that.
Huh.
Because
No, but this is not a issue, not issue to discuss this.
Sir, in this Vidyalaya particularly, the problem is about communication of the students, communication skill development. So, in order to better communication of the students, we will very rarely come for it to organize some competition, especially speech competition. Very rarely we motivate the students, especially at that competition. Each classes I have to spend or we have to spend one class only for that. Only then students come for that. Even if the situation is so that even if I have spent 7 years here, I am not satisfied after how they should be working. So that it will be better if we, not only today, in between also, if we come and organize some programs, they will be more motivated. and something you can do for setting up the language lab will be very much great.
Okay. So we are also thinking they will have some kind of your behavioral skill development. It could be communication, it could be public speaking, it could be leadership, it could be presenting skill. So that's what we are thinking. So certainly this year we are going to take up such kind of program where is professional from corporate. So they will come and they will spend at least 1 day or 2 days. Okay, and maybe 2-3 batches. They will do some program, including if some from us, anyone from us. Also, if you are doing similar L&D kind of learning and development kind of program in any corporate, right, we'll also try to pull it. But we have already discussed about that. So, right point, we'll try to see that what was best possible can be done. Even group discussion and all, is, particularly for the 11th and 12th students, right? That possibly also we can plan. So, I think we are trying to make the association more functional, more effective. And today, we will have our meeting. So we already have finalized some of the agendas, which is around it. So wherein like how we can make these students exposure to what is going on right today in the market, and how we can improve their all these behavioral skills, right? This public speaking, communication, of course, with group discussions and all. So that is already in the agenda. So we'll certainly take it up.
And as I just told you that we are getting service also from them, speedy work, especially official related work like that. So also for this infrastructure development, say for example internal roads or even water points and certain other things are there. Even some cases where the funds are being released by the district authorities also, the work is not being taken up. For sure. Even for years also like that. So like that. These things have been pursued by you people continuously. With every collector and other this one also. Not only that, the revenue department, I gave to the many of our students, even at the block level, at the district level also, our alumni are there. So if they take interest and pursue like that, for example, telecom department, one of our friends was there, anything is there, we just put on this, he is taking care of that like that. So, so this type of official services also, if you extend, the network is more.
Sir, 3 collectors are there from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya student. They are deputed in Odisha. Another is I think both SP. Yeah.
I met the gentleman.
One is from JNV Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh. One is from JNV Ganjam, Odisha. Another is from JNV Rajasthan. All of three they are Navodaya student only.
Yes. So they are.
Higher. And also we have plans to take that off. So anything else that you expect that current students that you can at least try to motivate them for something, or they are all doing good?
Current students, you are also Navodaya students. When you was during your stay in the Navodaya, when the teacher or principal every time come, go, do this thing, it will not be that tasty. But your frequent visits of a alumni and you people, when they come, they will be more motivated. And that way, your visits will play a lot of this development in this field of motivation. And other aspects are there. The moment you come to the Vidyalaya and you have a glance, you will understand what is needed. I did not say more. I didn't have to emphasize that issue. So you do that, we are expecting. And this frequent visits also will be very, very useful. Sometimes we are getting this academic support also. Also aspects like that, because this Vidyalaya has completed some 26 years or 30 years like that. I have been pursuing that issue for the last 6 years, and it is also continuing. It will become that also one point in the in our Kalahandi district. I don't say India wise like that. There is no doubt at all. So that way, doctors are also interested.
India mein, see the top one, see the 4 national awards got distribution.
Yes.
There is no institute in India. Again, the projects of which is adopted by the government of Japan, and our representative of commissioner went to Japan and explained this project. That projects also implemented in Japan government.
Correct.
So you should be proud of that.
And that should be
But it is unfortunate that all the progresses are not in the website. Because the principal changed, the progress gone. That is the psychology. Are you understanding? If that 4 awards are explained, it is a Rajiv Gandhi Parth Bhumi Mitla Award. It is only 7 people got in India. They spent 5.
This one contribution. That's what I am telling.
So maximum exposure, maximum visibility, how they can develop their skills other than the studies, of course, which are very much required nowadays because every day it's becoming more competitive, right? So it is really essential. So people should be knowing what they pursue after 12. So those programs we are trying to conduct this year, we will make it more effective. But we are trying to compensate back. So I think we have already compensated half an hour. Okay, so another half an hour we need to compensate. So after this we have the alumni meeting wherein we are going to discuss about our program, how we are going to conduct ourselves for next 1 year, what are the key priorities for us, how we are going to manage those things. Also we would like to form our activity body for next 2 years. So after that we are planning to have a cricket match with the current students, so that we will mingle with the students in an informal way. Okay. And then after that we have the lunch program, and then after that we have the alumni program with everyone, all the students and all, with various programs that we have, that we used to do every year, regular basis. So that will be addressed by our alumni members to the current students, and then some award distributions, some cultural programs, and then local times. So before concluding this meeting, we are all glad that all our beloved respected teachers are here. So we would like to hear each one from them, some advice. We have been carrying out their advice in our life. We would like to take. We can spend another 10 minutes right from here, just the name and the badge. I think that should be good enough. Okay? We can just do 1 hour.
1 hour it will take.
No, just 5-10 minutes we will finish. See you next. Fourth batch. Rajiv Singh from second batch. JB Support.
Subhash Chanduria, fourth batch. Pilot for arts student
Rajesh Paswa from support. Ajit Kumar for support.
First batch.
Kameshwar Naik, 6th batch.
Santosh Kumar, second batch.
Aditya Moyer Singh, 4th batch.
I was searching for you.
Yes.
Deepika Das, first page.
Kedarnath Kumar, 18th batch. Mahesh Goyal, 5th batch. I am Siddharth Sanani, I belong to 4th batch.
noble students.
All the way down to all the.
All the noble students. Really today I felt happy to all the seats, all the faces after a span of long period. Even I spent money, I cannot beat money. But this is the place where you could see all the faces. Thank you for welcoming us. We'll meet, we'll talk, we'll interact again. Thank you.
Happy morning to all of you. First, I would like to give a special thanks to the always effusive R.B. Karao sir. Mother Rao sir of the school, Patru sir on my right, Pradhan sir, the teachers at my back. Students will be a misnomer now, okay. But still I carry on saying that, hello dear students. And really I feel very jealous because I am not able to do this in my Vidyalaya. I have been trying. Just 2 lines. Number one, I feel really privileged. I will not say thankful. Personally, I feel very privileged to be amidst you, I think after a pretty long time. And second, what I have been doing is, I am trying to unearth all those things which took place here, one by one, one by one. To share one, suddenly I remembered Janmejay Behera losing his watch in the Katabanji railway station while we were coming back from cluster meet. Okay. Suddenly I just could correlate with him. Okay. That is the job I have been doing, and for making me do this job, I am really thankful to all of you. Very gracious. Good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
So, most of you were from 1995 till 2006. I must be remembering the days I was pursuing my career here for long 11 years, the longest period in Jain Hills. First Belpada 6 years, here 11 years, and last 9 years in Jharsuguda. I retired and
You're lucky. I was in all of India.
so I'm already retired from my service for the last 7 months. And the memories of JNU Nalla always really comes to my mind. Sometimes by mistake I looked at the Facebook and see some of you. That is the greatest excitement in my life, really, to see the faces. And sometimes I am not able to recognize many of you. I was satisfied with your satisfaction for coming here and gathering and looking for a bright future for this institution. So I hope you will pursue this till you are an art. Okay, because I know that as Principal Sir told that it is a unique school so far the alumni is concerned. 26 years of my career in Navodaya, perhaps I have never seen such type of organizations. Okay, Jharsuguda is yet to begin. After 7 batches, Jharsuguda is yet to begin. Really, it is surprising. And it is all the contribution of our revered principal, R.B. Karao sir. The way you are celebrating, really it is unique. And I hope this will continue till this Navodaya is taken. Okay, thank you.
Principal of Kalahandi, Honorable Vice Principal, and my beloved Mr. Prasad, and Pradhan, and Laksa, and other teachers, and Honorable Principal of Really, I am very happy to see all
Somebody asked me, what is the secret of your health? I told that my students are contributing to their health. That's why I'm in this. Huh? Even today, I moved throughout India. I'm a consultant for many schools, even in the Nepal. I used to go to times to visit Nepal. I'm giving them my experience and sharing my experience to teachers. Another very good information. Now in India, Teachers Nobel Prize is already established by the government of Dubai, King of Dubai, and in which Bill Clinton and Bill Gates are also honorable chairmen of the committee. That award is 7,000 rupees, 7 crores of rupees. So that means the honor is also given to the teacher who are identified in outstanding contribution in the world. So now the important teacher is already realizing day by day what is the teacher, what is the role of the teacher. Actually, the backbone of the country is the teacher. Because the youth who are to come up, they have to be trained very well. When I motivating the things and I am cultivating the things, involving the students in many programs and discipline and all these things. One High Court judge visited our school. He asked me one question. Sir, in your school I am seeing all discipline, well, everything and everything. Can they manage in the corrupted world in tomorrow? They can manage the things very well. So, what I told to that High Court judge, today I have seen you are the students organizing so many programs in Kalahandi. Blood banks, you are helping the teachers, students, colleges, schools. Really, I feel proud of you first. Whatever we done is nothing. Nothing, it is our duty. We are receiving salary. We are receiving salary, we have to do it. But what you have done voluntarily, that is a great thing. I always encourage you to do so many good things, to bring a good society, to live a great place to live. That's very important because one day I asked it, I tell, one day in the Navodaya, students will be occupied by all medical colleges, engineering colleges, reputed engineering college. Now even today, 30% of our Navodaya students in the medical colleges, engineering college, IIT, wherever you go. And in Andhra Pradesh, nearly 20 IAS officers are there, IPS officers are there. So this is the great progress achieved. But we don't want publicity. We don't want publicity because it's a government organization. We cannot go for the newspaper, for people here, because you don't want money, business management. The private schools, they will do like that. But that three dimensions are also involved here. And patient activities is not a patient activities means school is an internal part of this. That is the real phrase section. So we have developed a wasteland development, 1,500 hectares of wasteland in Kalahandi state. It's not a joke that you have done it. Again, child labor project you have done. One of the child labor got national award. It's not a joke. That means we have proved that if the facilities are provided, the environment is even throughout the world, not in India. Organizations prepare the documentaries and telecast to this national channel, international channel, explaining the works of the Kalahandi. If you want to see the documentary, please go to the YouTube. You will enjoy with how they speak regarding the students of Kalahandi students. Some of the students I took also to Delhi, and I also recorded their voice also in Indira Gandhi National Open University debate, important to the project of the Kalahandi. That is you done, because motivated. After receiving the award, I will tell you one important thing, done by the students and the teachers. What steps that we have taken to involve some cultural program. We use it to send to our villages, to give the cultural program. People are very happy, enjoy, and the people are praising the students and the teachers. So the teachers are also motivated, students are also motivated. They feel very happy. So that concept I have taken. I collector is provided with 2 buses. I moved all the villages. We have given the program. Our students, I asked them, so next program is there, are you ready? Sir, we are ready. Even after giving 20 program, she is also moved with us. Some Anunay. With me, I told madam there is no toilet. I have to manage it. How your students are managing? Yes. I understand first batch. She stayed in your room. She here. For every 3 days collector is coming in city. Meetings are conducted here, sir. Bhavani Patnam and everybody will conduct. So like that, you students make the other very happy. And PK Jana, once you given program, Sabhi ka people, I am the chairman of the Navodaya. The collector now is secretary. I am the chairman. I'm proud to share. You made like that. It was a great achievement. Because we are the people, simply will motivate. It is we have to show the right way, how to go, that's all. In fact, that money, 3 lakhs, including my money also.
3,76,000.
3,26,000. I deposited in the bank before my leave. I wrote it, 10th class student every year. But what happened to that money, I don't know. But now I talked with the commissioner also, and he promised me to collect the money and put it. I will see that the project will be, that this is the award money, that's to old student, this contribution they did. That's why due to their contribution only we got this award. Lifelong they will tell. It is such a noble cause. Will be disturbed, I disturb a lot. Fact like that. Huh? So these are the things I disturb a lot. I want what contribution you have done should remember forever. As long as this institution is there. So that report from the additional commissioner, joint commissioner. Sir, Japan government asking the project, please give me that. It immediately come to me. I prepared the documentation, everything. He took that and he went to the Japan. What is going on, I am telling to you what you are trying to do. So don't feel that I have not done anything. You have done great things. National teacher, international teacher, Nobel Prize. Nomination हुआ, that's all right. Out of 15,000, 20,000 applications, that nomination, they will select 50. First, the 50 people will embrace teacher ambassadors 10. Out of 10, 1 will be selected, he will be allotted 7 crores of rupees for the development. They will also provide the grants. $50,000 provide the grants, those who have wanted to do the good projects. Because if you do good project, please apply, I will give the website, you go through that and apply for it, do the good things for the society that I want.
Senior most brother, Sivarajan Sattapati, I to conclude with 2 minutes in vote of thanks. And also we have more token of appreciation for all our teachers. So we like to just present our.
Thank you very much.
Sir, we have more.
Let me extend my hearty thanks on behalf of alumni to our respected ex-principal sir, RPK sir, who has come and given us the valuable teachings. I do extend my thanks to Prasad sir, who has not only during the classes, still out of the class, we have cleared all our doubts, cleared our emotions, and settled all our emotions. We have taken him as a model. I do want to extend my thanks to all-time hero sir, Sri Rajnikant Patra sir. The system that we are still with that energy, and I don't know, I have maintained that one. I do want to extend my hearty thanks to our principal sir, who has given with the same love, same affection that we were getting during our classes, during our school days. I want to extend thanks to our vice principal sir. When yesterday I met, till then he extended his love towards all of us. I do want to extend all thanks to all the staffs of present JNV Narla. Moreover, I want to extend thanks to Pradhan sir. I have not come through his teachings till then. I have heard his interaction with us, and I want to extend thanks who has accompanied our alumni, his spouse particularly. Without his spouses, I mean to say, who has accompanied our alumni, because otherwise they may not have come for this alumni meet. I want to extend all the alumni who are present here and showing their anxiety and their interest towards this alumni meet. Last but not least, I want to extend all the workers who has specially organized this program. Let me take his name. It is Pradipta Balayar Singh. And all the supporting hands. And with that, again, I think I am very happy to be an adopted son of JNV Narla. Yes, we are adopted, though my father and mother given birth, but still I got real education from this school, from this teachers, and still whenever we are going to take a a post, we are thinking of our teachers. I should like this teacher, or I should like this teacher, and with this I want to thank our.
Thanks for all your time. We really thankful to you. Thank you, sir.
The fruits of this meeting or interaction, please proceed to this for lunch.
आप लोग समझ रहे हैं क्या? ये हिंदी में बोलो। तो हमारा साल हो गया, ठीक है। तो हमने स्टार्ट किया था जब हम लोग नवोदय से बाहर जाके खुद से पढ़ाई कर रहे थे, 1998 में। तो जैसे तैसे करके 18 साल हम लोगों ने खींच लिया है, ओके। कुछ प्रोग्राम करके कई बार ऐसा हुआ कि किसी साल में बहुत अच्छे से हुआ, कई बार हुआ कि हम लोगों ने टाइम नहीं दे पाया, इतना अच्छे से नहीं हो पाया। सबका अपना बिजी शेड्यूल है, पर उसमें से थोड़ा सा टाइम निकाल के हमको एसोसिएशन को और स्ट्रॉन्ग करना है, मजबूत करना है। इसको वी नीड टू मेक इट मोर इफेक्टिव और फंक्शनल करना है इसको, ठीक है। तो वो हमारा मोटो होना चाहिए। आई थिंक हमारा अभी ऑलमोस्ट 22nd राइट, तो 22 बैच निकल चुके हैं, मतलब alumni में ऑलरेडी 22 बैचेस आते हैं। तो 22 बैचेस में अगर देखा जाएगा तो ऑन एन एवरेज तो 7-8 बैच जो अभी भी पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, हायर स्टडीज कर रहे हैं या फिर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम के लिए ट्राई कर रहे हैं, तो अराउंड 15 बैचेस हैं जो कि ऑलमोस्ट सेटल डाउन इन देयर लाइफ राइट, फॉर एनी हायर स्टडीज और एनी रिसर्च और एनीथिंग राइट। तो उसके लिए अभी क्या है कि हमें इस एसोसिएशन को नीड टू मेक इट मोर प्रोफेशनल, मोर इफेक्टिव, मोर फंक्शनल। तो ये बनाना है, हमें मजबूत बनाना है, सो दैट कि इट विल हेल्प द एसोसिएशन मेंबर्स, इट विल हेल्प द करंट स्कूल एंड द स्टूडेंट्स एंड इन जनरल द सोसाइटी, जो सोसाइटी मजबूत बनाना है, करेक्ट। तो ऐसे इनफॉर्मल वे में हम लोग किसी दोस्त से ऐसे बात कर रहे थे। आजकल व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप, फेसबुक भी बन चुका है, उसमें बहुत सारे आइडियाज आते हैं जिसमें हम राइट, जैसे हमने रिसेंटली भुवनेश्वर में एक स्मॉल गेट टुगेदर किए थे, अराउंड 45-50 पीपल हैव गैदर्ड, उसमें से मोर देन 60% ऑफ द रिसेंटली 21st बैच, 22nd बैच, 20th बैच से आए हुए थे। तो उन्होंने भी अपना कुछ फीडबैक दिया जिससे हम बिल्कुल इम्प्लीमेंट भी करना चाहते हैं। टू मेक इट मोर इफेक्टिव वी नीड अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग लीडरशिप, करेक्ट, जो इसको कैरी आउट करे, जिसको हम सपोर्ट करेंगे, जो लीड करेगा, जो आइडियाज लेके आएगा, हु हैज द टाइम, जो हमें थोड़ा समय स्पेंड कर सकता है एसोसिएशन के लिए, द पर्सन हु हैज द पोटेंशियल, जो एक्टिवली इस एसोसिएशन को विद लॉट ऑफ चैलेंजेस, डिफिकल्टीज कैरी आउट कर रहा है राइट। तो हमें वैसे बंदे चाहिए जिसके पास पोटेंशियल है, जिसे हमने देखा है कि इसके पास पोटेंशियल है, जिसे हमने देखा है कि इसने टाइम स्पेंड किया है, कर रहा है और कर सकता है राइट। तो ऐसे लोग चाहिए हमें अभी, और हमारा और जो मैक्सिमम सपोर्टेड व्यूज होगा उसी को हम कैरी आउट करेंगे राइट। ओके, तो फार मैं अभी तक जो भी बोला, एवरीवन एग्रीज विद दैट और एनीवन हैज एनी डिफरेंट व्यूज? ओके, सो some more people are coming in. Participation or of course by default the fourth batch strong, right? और हमें ऐसे लोगों को बनाना है because we have been seeing उनके लिए एसोसिएशन अभी तक चल रहा है, so we all really need to thank them. I don't want to take names here, but whoever that, those 4, 5, 3, 6, 10, 12, 15 people, उनके वजह से चल रहे हैं, they are spending the time. तो अगर हम सब लोग अपना टाइम स्पेंड करेंगे, थोड़ा थोड़ा टाइम देंगे, मजबूत बनाएंगे, तो आई डोंट थिंक कि उनको उतना स्ट्रेस लेना पड़ेगा। इट इज अ क्रूशियल रोल, ओके, द रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज लाइज विद द प्रेसिडेंट टू लीड, टू गेट द एग्जीक्यूटिव बॉडी टुगेदर, टू अप्रूव एंड टू सी दैट इट नीड्स द परफेक्ट एग्जीक्यूशन राइट। तो ऐसा एक बंदा चाहिए प्रेसिडेंट, हो रहा है, बट आगे चल के इसको मोर सिस्टमेटिक बनाना है, तो हो रहा है सही से हो रहा है, दैट इज ऑल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट, क्योंकि 22nd बैचेस हो गया, हम ओनली 4-5 बैचेस बाई पर्सन, वी हैव दैट इंटरेक्शन, वी हैव दैट ट्रस्ट।
I want to propose Sanjay Rana for president.
This is I think
Excuse me.
Sanjay Rana have seen lot of Navodaya Vidyalaya, Kalahandi and as well as Sukhon. So I also agree with this.
Thank you.
Just a minute, PK Balyar Singh bhai na?
Yes,
Wow! Great!
जहाँ भी हो कि नहीं, Mohesh Brai is organized to it. Can we add some post like that, mentor or something like that? We can put Mohesh Kudri Parma चलने की आपके treasurer.
President ହେଲା Sanjay Rana, Secretary of the General Secretary Pradipta Kumar Balyar Singh, more mentors also. जदि किसी proposal अच्छे कुहा, any more names? We'll see.
अरे कोई all time follower यार. Yes, I second.
Kumar Baji. Eighth batch, Madhukar Siddharth. Deepak Barik. Kartik Shuna, 11th batch. 10th वो
One student like Lipika Das will be one of the members in the committee.
Committee, core committee.
The promote
Yes.
For all migrated students. From all intermediate. Intermediate up to 98, 99. I have seen lot of alumni meetings here, but there is a gap between the seniors and the present students. So, if there anything can be done, there is a linkage between the senior and junior. Everything will be posted, whatever the thing. There is some lovable or something things which attract the students. Because some of the courses, some of the things may be given to the juniors, the recent passer. Juniors passer, that is what I am coming to. I am coming to. So one.
Propose vice president Yogesh Ron.
Yes.
I want to propose.
Bhavani. Part of the executive committee, so fresh ideas can come.
लास्ट दिन में जो काम करे हमला पिला माने पोटेंशियल माने मते लागे जे पिला तांकर जूनियर बैच रे हमर जनरेशन नै जे नेक्स्ट जनरेशन पिला ना बहुत भल काम करछन
7 जनरेशन होचे
होटेला सोम्य आउला सरोज मते लासी पिला को मोटिवेशन
सौम्य के क्या प्रॉब्लम है दरकार
मेडिकल टीम ना के
आसपास है प्रोग्राम के आसपास छात्रों मेरे आप लोग सोच दो
लेडीज सोनाली प्रधान तमरा को की प्रपोज करो यार कॉलेज में जणा पड़वा का प्रपोज करो कम से कम
बहुत अंदर समय पॉसिबल every week okay association tarafru minimum month is the expectation but amar hyperactive president goes on every week se update karbe very good
से लेटर में each and every week objectives of alumni association सेटा अछि सेटा स्पेसिफिकली बना जाय पारे आज जे कोर कमिटी में मीटिंग करते so on the basis of that one you have to check out the program so it will be better
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ ଯେନ୍ଟା ଆମର ଚାଲି ଆସିছে ସେଟା କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ ହବା ବ୍ଲଡ୍ ଡୋନେସନ୍ କ୍ୟାମ୍ପ that is something for the society right society ki also we need to give back something right काहे कि हमें नवोदय सोसाइटी रो ही पैसा खाइछे समस्ते taxpayers money right free education so we need to also pay back something to the society health camp जेंटा हमर चाली दिला बंद ही जेतिला that is again for the society okay so health camp not concentrating in one जदि पिला association members enthusiasm दिखावे ताले maybe in every block but से block में जो भी local है अगर they will show some enthusiasm then only it can be possible of course Narla block is our target for the first and foremost. We promised to the English sir today morning from the staff, current staff also there was a request today. So when the current students, the skill development like public speaking, communication and all. So we'll also conduct few programs. Tushar had volunteered to help us on that. Tushar? आउटे थिला ये हमर एटा पॉसिबल हे नै परबा जेंटा कि एवरी ईयर हमर जे फ्रेश बैच आसबे ताको गोटे फॉर्मली वेलकम करबा लागि माने अलुमनी मेंबर्स पास आउट हले जे राइट ये फॉर्मली दे
जो आपके मेंबर्स के लिए स्टूडेंट के लिए कर रहे हैं ये सोसाइटी के लिए भी होना चाहिए डिस्ट्रिक्ट का होना चाहिए
ओके तो
जेएनबी ऑफ फंड के बहुत कटअप करा हुआ गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया दूसरे बात है कि ऑलवेज मिनिस्ट्री रे क्वेश्चन उचित कि काना व्हाट इज द आउटपुट ऑफ जेएनबी से पई नवोदय विद्यालय जेने हमें 7 इयर्स
जार पाई आमे एठे तो नवोदय विद्यालय जेकोसी समय रे भी डिग्रेडेशन ही पाए इसके जनरल स्कूल में कन्वर्ट कर दे पारे किंबा डे स्कूल रे कन्वर्ट कर दे जो आमे स्टाफ एसोसिएशन आम तो चलछे जदि जरूरत पड़े तो आई विल इंटीमेट टू association alumni. I hope the cooperation 100% cooperation from all the associations. Yes or no? Yes.
सेटा और टिके बेटर होबा जति बैच वाइज ताके परसू कराइबा से जिनिस भी से जिनिस पड़ती तो इट शुड बी बैच वाइज तमे करवा तो मेटेरियल माने बेसिक जानि तो समने बेटर जानि पारबे जे के डिजर्विंग का हेल्प कर अब बैच वाइज
लास्ट टाइम पॉजिटिव पर हम से नेगेटिव भी पारे हमर बॉडी मोटो है एसोसिएशन जहां तक कि हम सब लास्ट टाइम दो दिन सामने फोन कर कॉल करी भाई हमर एसोसिएशन में आके फोन दरकार साथ फोन एक
अकाउंट रे आमे हार्डली वर्षे ना 2 वर्ष से पैसा काढीचू आ एबर तक से पैसा के विथड्रॉ भी नै करवा हला आ अपडेट खाली हमर जे माने बैंक रे अछन से माने सोकल हला नीलिमा तांडी हला कि चंद्रभानु सबर की सुमित राज सिंगन की दादा हमर ऑनलाइन भी देखि देसन तो हमें टोकाडे भी से बाहर को जहां एक्टिविटी होची
नहीं से हेटा नहीं करवा
नहीं
हमें जब अलुमिनी एसोसिएशन बसे तेरे का चिनी पर हम भी बहुत बेस्ट पिला मते नहीं जानो कि मु ताके न पिला हमर ऑफलाइन ऑनलाइन इनका कम्युनिकेशन सुविधा हो एटा की एलिमेंट बोले आप बनो
सर हमर वेबसाइट एगला सेटरे सब पर
90
एग्जाम
व्हाट आर थिंकिंग इज पढ़ाने लगी इधर जो डाउन टोटल एरिया আছে जो एजुकेशन लगी वो व्हाटएवर इट इज आइडियाज विल चक आउट विल गो যদি জনে কন্ট্রিবিউট করা চাহুছি সেই দিন লাগি যে সোসাইটি দ্বারা দিলে পয়সাটা এটলিস্ট সম রেকগনাইজ ওয়েল এস্টাবলিশড
भाई ऑलरेडी गुड जे माने न्यूली रिक्रूटर से माने टेस्ट की होल्ड कर हम सब ले से
नहीं बजे हमारे भाई
ओके ठीक है हिंदी में मेरा गलती हो गया मैं अपना आप निकल जाऊंगा ठीक है चॉइस है ओके देन सुनो 2011 से मैं इस एसोसिएशन का लिंक दूं उससे पहले मुझे इसका मतलब ही नहीं मालूम था एलुमनी करके वर्ड भी मैंने सुना है उनका इंग्लिश में 88% है बट इंग्लिश में एलुमनी वर्ड होने के बाद मैं अच्छे से यहाँ अच्छा काम कर रहा हूँ पब्लिक का बोलना है मेरा नहीं ठीक है और ये मेरा फ़ोन है, सभी नोट करें, 8763244821, ठीक है, बाद में ले सकते हैं। ये 24 आवर्स ऑन रहता है, ठीक है, 24 आवर्स। हो सकता है बीच में ऑफिस में हूँ, कभी कभी कंपार्टमेंट के अंदर रहते हैं तो नहीं लगे, बट मैसेज छोड़ देना। रात के 12 बजे, 1 बजे, 2 बजे कभी भी फ़ोन कर सकते हो मुझे, कोई परवाह नहीं मुझे, ठीक है। मैं सुभाष बोस और गांधी दोनों को मानता हूँ। गांधी को मानता हूँ जहाँ तक टॉलरेंस है, और सुभाष बोस को मानता हूँ एक डायलॉग के लिए, आप मुझे खून दो, मैं आपको आज़ादी दूंगा, मुझे आप सहयोग करो, मैं आपको करके दिखाऊंगा। लड़की कोई भी, मैं हर डेली 10 बंदे को फोन करता था, और 30 दिन में 300 बंदों को मैं पक्का फोन करता था। इसमें कोई बोल सकता है मैं किसी को फोन नहीं किया हूँ, कुछ हो। और कोई भी ऐसा बोल सकता है जिसको 10 बार भी फोन किया हूँ, वो मुझे एड्रेस भी नहीं किया, ठीक है, अटेंड भी नहीं किया, कॉल बैक भी नहीं किया, और मैसेज भी नहीं किया, ऐसा भी है। और वो बंदे ऐसे भी हैं जिनको मैं लैंग्वेज थोड़ा और यूज करूंगा, माइंड मत करना, ठीक है, पोटी करके भी उनको साफ करना नहीं आता था। उस बंदों को मेरे हॉस्टल में रहते थे, ठीक है, उन लोगों को मैंने सिखाया, सब कुछ सिखाया, रास्ता कैसे करना, साफ सफाई सिखाना, बाल काटना, उनको वो जंतु होते थे, क्या बोलते उसको, जुई, हाँ वो होते थे। बहुत दुख होता है, बहुत दुख होता है। अगर मैंने किसी को 100 रुपया, 1000 रुपया मांगा, चल यार हम ये करते हैं, वो करते हैं, एसोसिएशन काम करते हैं, बट दूसरे दिन से फोन अटेंड करना ही छोड़ देते हैं। ऐसा भी दिखा है कि नहीं, प्रैक्टिकली सभी एक्सपीरियंस। ओके, कोई किसी को पैसा नहीं मांगेगा, पहली बात, जितना होता है हम करेंगे ना। मैं पहला 2 साल मैं बियर करूंगा उसका एक्सपेंडिचर, ठीक है, 2 साल मैं बियर करूंगा एक्सपेंडिचर, और एक ऑफिस रहेगा भारीपटना में, उसमें 2 मतलब वॉलंटियर चाहिए जूनियर बैंक में से।